going ahead, you both prepared together, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then comes a great question, because many of the people here in the institute also, they go for group studies or they prepare all along.
Yes.
But many a time we generally see it will not go as planned.
Yes.
So how did you people manage it?
Yes.
So firstly, to start with, we both studied together, but more than two of us, there were actually 6 to 8 of us. So we prepared as a group. What we did was, before exams could start, we made a plan, a common plan, wherein we could integrate it with each other. We all had different options, but then the general studies aspects we coordinated. We put schedules. On next date we would be writing this test, and if we were to write the particular test on next date, we'll have to prepare for that, and that preparation we'll be sharing little bit of inputs and notes. In the test we used to sit and write together. So when we were doing it, we had this natural accountability mechanism. So one person used to question the other person if we are not doing the work. So and this group study, as you were saying, sir, at times it does not go as we expect it to.
Yes.
We get distracted. And those situations, it is very important that we have good friends. So to determine our friend circle is our own right, and it is within our own controllable factors. So while determining our group, we need to be a bit careful and diligent in doing that. So
Right. So and what about the group? Like, must have faced some time where it is debating or everything.
Yes, sir.
So how did you people manage it?
Sir, basically what happens is, sir, we should not be indulging in group study for the full time, sir. We should allocate a time of our schedule for group study. So for example, like an odd hour, 2 to 5 generally is little unproductive, sir.
Yes.
So we can have that time for a group discussion or a pure circle review, all that. So we all have separate self-study schedule, and we have a separate group study schedule. So in group, if we are planning to discuss PYQs, so we keep the PYQs for group and we don't do it self. So we come to the group and then we start to discuss. So during prelims, we had a discussion from 8 to 11, sir, in the night. Since we were all in the residential program, we used to have discussion at that time. So if one person is not coming, any day we see them next day throughout during lunch or something. We used to ask them, why you didn't come yesterday, why you didn't come. That makes them start to feel guilt that they missed
That formal accountability is fixed on.
Yes, sir.
that FOMO comes about, fear of missing out something.
Yeah.
Oh, they might have discussed something, we should also go. That's
We are a group, so they are discussing as a group and we are being left out. So we should be joining the group. That is the mindset that comes up, and they too join the group.
There have been times when some of my friends who are not actually in the hostel has gone home, would join in the phone call or in Google Meet in the group discussion because they don't want to miss out. That kind of accountability became, sir. We had that kind of a strong circle of friends.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
which means you fed each other.
Yes,
in the
exactly,
discussion.
sir.